In this video, you'll be introduced to 10 basic Korean verbs that will level up your Korean. The plain form of verb to go, 가다, is comprised of two elements, the verb stem ga and the verb ending da. To conjugate the verb, you drop the verb ending da and add appropriate verb endings for your need. Let's start with formal expression in the past tense. 가 plus 왔습니다 makes 갔습니다. Informal expression 갔어요 is formed by 가 plus 왔어요, 갔어요. Casual form of verb to go in the past tense is 갔어. Moving on to the present tense, the formal expression is 갑니다. Less formal or informal expression is 가요, or you can say casually 가. For the continuous action, you can say 가고 있습니다 to say you're in the middle of going. 가고 있어요. 가고 있어. The second verb is 자다, to sleep. Formal expression is 잤습니다. Informal expression is 잤어요. 잤어요. And casually you say 잤어. 잤어. Moving on to the present tense, 잡니다. 잡니다. 자요. To say good night or sleep well, you can say 잘 자요 or 잘 자 to say casually. For the continuous action, 자고 있습니다. 자고 있어요. 자고 있어. 타다 is used when you take the train or take the bus. Starting with the formal expression in past tense, 탔습니다. 탔어요. 버스를 탔어요. 탔어. 택시를 탔어. Similar to 가다 and 자다, the present tense is 탑니다. 타요. Casual present tense is also used as a command form. 타. You can say you're taking the train in three different ways. 타고 있습니다. 타고 있어요. 타고 있어. 하다 is one of the most frequently used verbs in Korean. To make past tense, 하었습니다 makes 했습니다. 했어요. 했어요. 했어 in a casual way. For the formal expression in present tense, 하 plus 입니다 is 합니다. Less formal or informally, 해요. 해요. 해 could be also casual form or command form. 해 to say I'm doing it now in three different ways. 하고 있습니다. 하고 있어요. 하고 있어. 보다 means to see or to look. For the past expression, 보았습니다 makes 봤습니다. Informal and casual expression also follow the same pattern. 봤어요. 봤어. For the present tense, the verb ending 읍니다 is added to the stem 봅니다. Informal present tense ending 아요 is added to the stem 보. It makes 보아요, 봐요. 봐 can also be the command form look. 봐봐. To say I am looking at it now. 보고 있습니다. 보고 있어요. 보고 있어. 보고 있어. 오다 means to come. Past formal verb ending 왔습니다 is added to the stem and makes 왔습니다. To say it informally, 왔어요. And casually, 왔어. You can pretty much follow the same pattern for the present tense. 옵니다. 와요. 와. 오고 있습니다 is when you say someone is coming. 오고 있어요. 오고 있어. Or you can make it into a question by saying 오고 있어? The next verb is 주다, which means to give. Here we're adding the verb ending 없습니다 instead of 왔습니다. 줬습니다. For the vowel O, we're pairing it with 왔습니다 and The vowel U, we're pairing it with 었습니다. 줬어요, 줬어요, 줬어, 줬어. Here, we're adding the same present tense ending, 읍니다, 줍니다. Because the vowel of the stem is U, we're adding 어요 instead of 아요. 줘요, 줘요, 줘, which is more like a command. 줘, give it. 주고 있습니다. I am giving it now. 주고 있어요 can also become a question. 주고 있어요? 주고 있어. 주고 있어? Our next verb is 앉다. 앉다 has two lower consonants, and the second consonant, 지읒, is pronounced with the second syllable. 앉았습니다. 앉았습니다. 앉았어요. 앉았어요. 앉았어. 앉았어. For the present tense, 앉습니다. 앉아요. 앉아. Here, when the second lower consonant 지읒 is met with 기역, it makes a thick and heavy sound. 앉고 있습니다. 앉고 있어요. 앉고 있어. Our next verb is 먹다. Similar to 앉다, lower consonant 기역 is pronounced with the second syllable. 먹었습니다. 먹었습니다. 먹었어요. 먹었어요. 먹었어. 먹었어. 먹습니다. 먹습니다. 먹어요. 먹어요. 먹어. 먹어. 기역 in the lower consonant and the 기역 in the second syllable creates a thick and heavy sound. 먹고 있습니다. 먹고 있어요. 먹고 있어요. 먹고 있어. 먹고 있어. Our last verb is 마시다. The formal past verb ending 었습니다 is added to the stem 마시. 마셨습니다. 마셨어요. 마셨어요. 마셨어. 마셨어. The formal present verb ending 읍니다 is added to the stem and it forms 마십니다. 마십니다. Here we're adding the verb ending 어요 and it forms 마셔요. 마셔요. 마셔. 마셔. 마시고 있습니다. 마시고 있습니다. 마시고 있어요. 마시고 있어요. 마시고 있어. 마시고 있어. This is all for now. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos to come.